Sit with your pelvis grounded on the mat. Try to keep your spine as upright as possible. And just keep your legs crossed this way, not necessarily on top of one another, but just one in front of the other. Just find your center and your groundedness. We will be working from the hips and the inner thighs today and lengthening the torso at the same time. And one of our hips will be externally rotated, each at a time. When you're ready, straighten one leg out and flex the foot. Keep it as straight as possible and see if the back of the knee can reach further to the mat, down to the floor, still keeping your spine upright. Both sides of the torso and pelvis are equal. Change to the other side. Same thing. Keeping your leg as straight as possible, flex your foot. Bring your toes back while your heel extend forward. And feel how there is a gentle stretch and release in your hip joint and inner thigh. Repeat the same to the first side. Note that the heel of the bent leg should be right at the center of the pelvis, and it should be closer in towards you, not too far away, so that your body stays at the center. Although one of your legs is bent and the other is straight, we should still maintain symmetry in the torso, the spine, and the pelvis as much as possible. Feel the straight leg lengthening out. Just notice where you feel the stretchy, sore feeling might be. Try to keep still. Flex your foot more and reach the back of the knee to the ground. Now back to the first side. This time we're going to do a side bend, reaching your right arm further down towards your right ankle. Slowly pulsing, reaching further down a little bit more. Lengthening the torso on the opposite side. Slowly change to the other side. Again, in this case, the right heel should be at the center of the pelvis. This will put us in a position as we bend to the left side. Lengthening out the right torso, looking diagonally up. Reaching down with the side of the torso. Take your time to slowly reach down towards your ankle. We want this movement to be still, to be slowly releasing. Reach down, feel your hamstrings, feel the side of the torso. Make sure your eyes are looking straight ahead. Although you're side bend, you are looking straight ahead from a side angle. You can also look diagonally up. That will help open the chest more. But in any case, avoid looking down because that will close in the chest. See if you can make your leg as straight as possible. Lengthening the side of the torso is what we truly need daily. It can benefit us so much to reset our posture, to give us space and length from any tiredness or compromises we might make to our spine throughout the day. I hope you like this 5 minutes routine for your inner thigh and torso. Come back to sitting upright here with both pelvis grounded. Feel how it might be easier to sit up straight. And if you like my content, remember to like, share, subscribe. I would appreciate that very much. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for moving with me. See you again very soon in the next video.